guys, welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. Today's video is on one of my favorite side dishes ever. This is my lemony Parmesan blistered green beans. They're amazing, they're a great side dish, and I seriously make them once or twice a week. We go through green beans like crazy in this house. The charred edges give it a really great hint of smokiness. The lemon really brightens it all up, and it's super quick and easy. You only need a few ingredients. All the ingredients and the directions will actually be in my blog in the description box down below. So let's just get right into the video. I hope you enjoy it.